Good morning, 7th class. I hope you all are doing very well. I am very glad to start our first online class, and I am your social teacher. Today, we are going to start reading maps of different kinds. This is our first chapter in the social studies. In this chapter, we are going to discuss about the meaning of map, different types of map, symbols, physical map, measuring heights on land, showing heights on a map, contour lines, uses of map showing different heights. Now let's start. What is the meaning of map? Do you know, children, what is the meaning of map? Let's see. This is the meaning of map. What is a map? A map is a representation or a drawing of a total or a part of Earth's surface drawn on a flat surface. Means map is a drawing on a flat surface. It can be a sheet of paper, or it can be a board, or it can be drawn any flat surface. Now let's see the types of map. In the lesson itself, you can see what are the some different types of map is there. Physical map and political map, thematic map is there. How many types of map, children? First, that is, look here, this is the first physical map, second political map, third thematic map. First, let's see what is the physical map. Physical map is nothing but that map showing natural features of the earth, mountain, plateaus, plains, rivers, oceans, etc. Means it shows the physical features of the land, where the mountain is there, where the plateaus is there, where the plains is there, where the rivers is there, and how many oceans is there, right? Second, political map is there. This map shows cities, towns and villages and different lands, states of the world with their boundaries. These are the political map. It shows the cities, towns, villages and different states is there, districts also it shows, and their worlds, their boundaries also it shows. It is called the political map. Third, that is a thematic map is there. What is thematic map? Some map focus on specific information such as road map, rainfall map, showing distribution of forest, industries, etc. are known as thematic map. Means it has some theme, like it shows according to a theme only. This map we can take, like road map is there, rainfall map is there, population map is also there. So distribution of forest map is there, industries map is there. So let's see, children, we know that maps are too small for us to draw picture or things shown on them. For example, we cannot draw the real school, bus stand, colony, office, railway station, garden, farmland, etc., as it will take too much space on the map. So therefore we have to show things on map with the help of symbols, right? So what is the meaning of symbol? A symbol is a mark, sign or word that indicates, signifies or is understood as representing an idea, object or relationship. Means symbol is a mark in a sign. Okay, it is a word also, or it indicates some, signifies some, it represents the idea of an object or relationship. So it is called symbol. It is nothing but the language of map. With the help of symbol we can understand the map. What is this, children? Are you able to see? This is the map of our country. Yes, this is the India map. What are you observing here? Same. See, these are the symbols. Index is there. In the index only, see, these are the symbols, right? What is this? Means only 3 symbols we can see here. These are the capital of the state. Some point is there. Here we have the point. See, these are the state. It indicates the state. Second, this is the states of boundary of states. See here, boundaries of the states in the country, you can see. Okay, these are the boundaries of the state. What is this? This is the external boundary of our country, means external boundary of India. right? Okay, these are the symbols. Or we can see here, uh, this is here you can see here, this is the boundary of the external India, right? It is the broad line, and this is, it indicates some blue color is there, right? Blue color, this is the boundary of the states, right? See here on the page number some 2 page number, you can see Delhi is indicate point, means here you can see, right? Next, this is the river, means if you are showing water bodies on the map, it shows blue color. Okay, Manjira is a river, so it shows like this. This is the symbol, right? Track, here you can see it represent the track land. For a track land, it, the symbol is like this on the map, right? With this, we discuss about the 3 topics of the lesson: map, the meaning of the map, different types of map also we discussed, and about the symbol also we discussed. In the next session, we will discuss about the physical map, measuring heights on land and showing heights on a map. In the next session, we will discuss about this another 3 topics. Now with this, thank you very much.